here. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So this wig is from Noble Hair, and I had first did a wig review for them right here, and I was completely impressed with this wig. So I'm really excited to give this cute little pink bob a try. So when I opened her, I was like, oh my gosh, she's gonna be so pretty, because again, she has so many really great attributes of a really nice wig. Let's just talk about the color right here. So she is pink, but she's definitely like the classic dusty pink wig from Amazon, if you have that, as it has some kind of orangey coral kind of tones. So not every hair strand is the same color. It has a different strand color, which is really fun because it's multi-dimensional. And this is also a cute little 10-inch bob. I mean, really, really cute. Look how cute that is. Just can't wait to put it on. And then as for the construction, like this is where she is different from a lot of the other wigs, is that she is a ton of lace, as you can see here. So she is a 13 by 7 inches right here. I'm like, that's a lot of lace, which means you can flip her around, you can braid her, you can do all sorts of really, really fun things with her. And then she also has a medium cap, and she actually has a really nice stretch to her. So if you need a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. And then as for the lace, she does have a medium tone lace. She's very soft, which is really nice. And then also for the combs, 2 combs kind of in the middle sides right here. And then she does have 1 comb in the back as well. All right, so let's put this girl on. She did come with 1 wig cap right here, but I'll be using a nude wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I really like these wig caps. And I put my wigs on front to back. Okay, so here she is. She actually feels really good and light on. I love wearing a little bob. All right, so let's take a look at this really great lace front right here. So she is really plucked out very nicely. So you really don't need to do much in that regard of plucking. The hair, the parting looks great. Yeah, so really great right there. She's basically ready to go. All right, so let's cut this lace off and see what she's all about. And here she is. I really feel like she has this very like chic, you know, voguey kind of look to her, and I love that. All right, so let's take our wig brush and lightly brush her out. Okay, so lightly brushed out, not much brushing to her, and she really didn't have any shedding, like just a couple hairs, which was really great. All right, so now, since she has such a really great parting, so let's kind of create some flips with the wig. So I'm just gonna take a comb and see if maybe it's best if I can just do it like this. Okay, so this way she definitely has definitely more of a flip up, which is great. Now she is heat resistant, so you can definitely modify her. Like I'm kind of digging this kind of sweepy thing, and I know I've seen this style. I'm always in love with it because I know that my hair would never do this kind of sweep, and I actually love, 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 love this kind of sweep right here. So pretty. What do you guys think about that? Now let's flip her to the other side. Let's do it with our hands. And she's definitely giving the same kind of flip up look right here. Now again, so since she is heat safe, you could definitely play with her so she can lay a little bit more on this flat side. Let's see if this is gonna almost do the same thing, kind of sweeping. Yeah, so this is almost like this retro, you know, Mad Men. I don't know, I'm getting this kind of like vintage vibe with her with this kind of look. Oh, I just love it. Yeah. Okay, let me move her down the middle again. Let me just do a little spin real quick, because since she's this really pretty stacked little bob, she's gonna just look perfect and glamorous. So this wig, of course, is from Noble Hair. Definitely check them out. I am super impressed with this wig line, with the big lace, with the nicely plucked hairline. They have so many great attributes for their wigs. I'm super excited to have found them. So I want to know if any of you have this wig, or if you have a favorite Noble wig, please share it with me. I would love to see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is such a great way for you to share with me your photos of you being fabulous and amazing in this crazy world. So let's all have fun, wear a wig, and live our best lives. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in this stunningly chic bob wig, wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.